Well, the sun is finally out here after the ice and the snow, and I'm out here working on my 1987 Toyota pickup truck. And if you remember, here's some pictures of the spare tire carrier that was all rusted up, and I didn't know if we could save it. Thought it looked like something from the Titanic. I got the spare tire holder, and I'm going to put it in Evapo-Rust with two other tools. This stuff is the shizzle my nizzle. As far as like removing rust, I love this stuff. It's not acidic. It works absolutely fantastic. There's a link down below if you want to pick some up from Amazon. This stuff is awesome. We'll see how it works. So I found these wrenches rusted up and rough in the dirt, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and put them in the Evapo-Rust, and we're just going to see what happens, right? Because this stuff is amazing. You can see how nasty this spare tire holder and the mechanism is. It looks like something from the wreck of the Titanic, so I'm just going to put it down in here, and we're going to see how it comes out after it sits in here for a little while. Have all the faith in the world, it's going to be awesome. Well, I can tell you this, that I am never short of amazed at what this Evapo-Rust will do to rusty metal, right? I've used it for 3 or 4 years, and every time I get something that I think is not salvageable because it's so rusty, I dump it in this stuff, let it sit. It's non-toxic, it's non-corrosive, it's non-flammable. I mean, it's just a perfect solvent to dump something in, and the results are nothing short of amazing. I wanted to take a look at this thing and see if indeed it is salvageable. Ooh, here's the special bucket of parts. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, so here was the carrier, and it was really rusted up. You could tell from the old pictures, and it's amazing. It actually will turn by hand. I don't even have to break it loose. This wheel is turning and going up and down the chain. The chain's clean. This is the part that goes on the tire. That's clean. So it's going to take just a minimal amount of work to get this cleaned up, ready for paint, and I am freaking shocked and amazed. Holy crap, that's awesome. I'm amazed at how this came out, being able to turn like that after 3 or 4 days. Now I'm going to let it dry up a little bit. I got to drill out and tap these 2 bolts that were so rusted up they just broke when I tried to take it out, and then we'll be ready to paint it, and I will give you a finished view of what it looks like. But holy moly, this Evapo-Rust stuff is great. Let's take a look at a few other items that were in here. There's a pair of vice grips that were completely rusted up. Look like brand new. Holy moly. Okay. A wrench that had been sitting in the mud, and now the ratchet part works. I'm just shocked. And a pair of diagonals that had been really encrusted in rust. There you go. I'll just let them sit in there for now because I'm working on this, but unbelievable, unbelievable product. Okay, I used some Eastwood Rust Encapsulator matte black finish, and can you believe it looks this good? Holy moly! I love it, and it's freed up. So I'll fill this thing up with grease, reinstall it, and hopefully it'll last another 30 years, maybe longer than me. Who knows? Anybody that watches my channel knows that I don't pull any punches. If the product is garbage, I let people know that. And in the same light, when a product is really, really excellent, I let people know that too. And this Evapo-Rust stuff is the real deal. I appreciate those guys coming up with this. And when you can take a part that looks like this and make it look like this, that's a win in my book. Thanks, Evapo-Rust. I appreciate how easy it was to get this piece of metal back in shape by using your product. Alright, so that's going to be it for today. I really do appreciate you being a subscriber. Any questions, comments, post them below. Try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm going to go to work. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.